Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Physically inspect the SSD for damaged connectors on 5-inch or two 2280 form. Confirm the drive receives proper power and is firmly seated in the slot. If the drive mounts read-only, create a block image with DRescue or vendor tool. Use a second drive with equal or larger capacity for the image. Check S.M.A.R.T attributes and record the media wear percentage and reallocated sectors count. Save logs to an external drive and label them with date and model information for later reference. Update SSD firmware using the manufacturer utility and follow on-screen safety prompts. Boot to a stable environment and run the vendor diagnostics for health and bad block scans. If diagnostics pass, enable trim and perform a secure erase to restore NAND mapping. After secure erase, reinitialize the drive using GPT partitioning and format with the desired file system. Run a file system check and verify read and write performance with a 1 GB sequential test. Keep firmware files and logs saved for warranty or support purposes. Attempt data recovery with forensic tools and limit writes to avoid further NAND wear. Use read-only imaging tools and specialized recovery services when critical files are at risk. If S.M.A.R.T shows media wear above 90% or persistent controller failures, plan for replacement immediately. Consider cloning to a new drive and verify boot integrity on the replacement before decommissioning the old SSD. Contact manufacturer support with the serial number, firmware version, and diagnostic logs to request an RMA. Dispose of the failing SSD securely following data sanitization policies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.